evening, my lords, baroness, members of parliament, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Indo-UK Business Excellence Awards 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, to our next award. It's the award for Sustainability Champion of the Year. And it goes to Mr. Anand Chordia. Mr. Anand Chordia is the founder of the Eco Factory Foundation, taking steps towards cleaner, greener, healthier, sustainable and prosperous India. He started this non-profit organisation in 2017 with a vision to provide sustainable lifestyle solutions to rural and urban communities. He established India's first ever waste management park, learning and awareness centre and centre for urban gardening and farming. He started unique sustainable farming and rural entrepreneurship centre. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anand Chordia has received this award gracefully. Can we give him a round of applause, please?
Every award gives me more burden of and more encouragement for responsibility to work towards a better planet in times to come. It keeps me more on toes to deliver more green practices and make a bigger impact on our planet. So that's how I take this award as. Also, there is a great networking opportunity here to meet great leaders from all around the world, which is one of the biggest motivation and inspiration to me at large.